Hey, good morning there guys. Today we are fixing this computer. It's a desktop. It doesn't want to switch on. Here it is. It doesn't want to switch on. It flickers and then cuts out the power. The main cause of these problems, it happens usually when you have power supply interruptions to the main board, and then it triggers the hard drive connectivity on the BIOS to reset. And when it resets, it goes to manual mode. So it goes to IDE mode, and then you have to reset to AHI mode because it's a SATA configured system. So I want to show you. See, here it is. I want to switch on there. The system goes on there, and I'm going to the setup here. There's a setup here, and then I want to go there. I want to go there. When I come here, I look at SATA configuration. It's set to AHCI mode. You change it to IDE, and then you save. Once you save that, save and exit, and then enter. I want you to see how this computer is going to behave. It's switching on and then going off. It is starting the Windows. And then goes off. We have seen it, and then goes off and then resets the BIOS again. So what do we do? I told you, you switch off the system. Once you switch off the system like that, you switch it on. Then you have to go to the BIOS programming, those specific keys. Once you enter there, it will take you there. You go to advanced, then you go to SATA configurations, you enter. You have to change SATA mode. You see there? You have to change the SATA mode to HDMI, and then you enter, and then you save. Use the cursor key, you come here, you save, and then you say yes, and the system starts. This computer is going to work right now. It's going to work.
So
it's going to work now.
They say they can't collect the money because the name they started with. I started with a surname instead of starting with a name.
So here it is. Here it is, guys. And the computer is going on now. It's rolling, and it's going to
31
perform
592
according to the BIOS standards set. So that's how you fix a computer when it behaves like this. When it start giving you boot errors, cannot see the hard drive. And there we go. Here's a box. There you go. You can take the mouse.
6031